everyone, this is Joshua, and I'll be solving this code signal problem called make array consecutive to. This problem is in Codesignal's arcade. I'll try to include the link to this problem in the description below. Let's go solve this problem. So Ratiorg got statues at different sizes, okay, and each statue has a non-negative integer size. That makes sense. He wants it perfect. He wants to arrange them from smallest to largest. And they should have a difference so that the previous statue is exactly 1. And if there's additional statues, he wants to know how many statues does he need to accomplish the above criteria. Alright guys, before I try to solve this myself, feel free to solve it on your own. Ready, set, go. I'll solve it myself right now. And if you forget to pause, then it's you. Alright, so given this example, there's 6, 2, 3, 8. And once you're done sorting it out, you know that you need 3 more statues so that it could accomplish the goal that, there's a difference of 1 for the sizes of statues. So it's going to be, 2, 3, 6, 8. And you need 4, 5, and 7 to ensure that it follows the rules above. There's a difference of 1 in between. Now, how would I solve this problem? Okay. Well, this is kind of an easy problem. I could tell that once we have the number of statues, we should know at least what are the number of statues needed in a perfect scenario to accomplish something. Let's just say that he has all these statues, right? And we know what's the smallest statue and the largest statue. Based on those, and we know that the fact that there should be 1 of each size in between, we should be able to know how many statues we can fit within that range. So here's how you solve it. Okay, enough theory. Let's do it. Okay, so first we want to know how many statues are in between. Number of statues. Okay. And we're going to do something from Java, from the Java library arrays, and sort this problem. Sort. And now we need the first statue so that we can tell, the statue size of the smallest, the statue size of the largest. If we subtract them both together, we can know what is, actually here, let me make it better. Small, large, not big. I like that word. It's easier to type in. Okay, now -1. So we want the last statue after it's done sorting it. That'll be the largest statue. And once we return it, it'll be the big minus small. And then, we need to find out how many statues are left over. So we subtract the target value, num. How many statues are there actually? And since it's inclusive to the range, we just add 1 to make it perfect. Let's run the tests. And bada ding, bada boom. It passed. Well, let's see submitting it. Would it pass all scenarios? Hot diggity dog. Alright guys, well thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, or add your own alternative solution in the comments below. And if you do, I'll give you 3 tickets to Chuck E. Cheese's. Take your mom, your dad, your brother, and your sis to take a ride in one of the slides. Go and eat one of those yummy cheese pizzas that that are not frozen, and those chicken wings too that they're not. I'm just kidding, guys. There won't be any Chuck E. Cheese tickets. But you have the gift and knowledge of learning from me. Anyways, guys, stay happy, healthy, and cool. Cheers.